Hello everyone, today we're introducing the Geber milk centrifuge. This unit is specifically designed for detecting fat content. It's suitable for testing milk fat in Geber Pasteur-Ross solubility methods. Its large 5-inch color screen clearly displays operating parameters. Press the set key to switch parameters before adjustment. When the parameter cursor highlights blue, use the up or down keys to increase or decrease the values. It features 10 acceleration or deceleration level. Smaller numbers indicate faster speeds. Below are the start, stop, and door open keys. The standard of this item includes an 830mm angle rotor paired with 8 Gaber milk tubes. Before separation, symmetrically distribute equal volumes of dairy product into sample tubes. Securely fasten the tube caps, then insert the tubes into the rotor with cap facing download to ensure optimal separation.
Use the hex key to loosen the screw. In an anti-clockwise direction, hold the rotor with one hand and loosen the screw with the other hand until the rotor can be removed. Insert the bearing into the central bore of the rotor. Tighten the screw in a clockwise direction. Before use, make sure the rotor is securely tightened. There's an emergency switch on the side.